Yes sir, rise and grind, man. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. This video, we got a 2013 Mercedes-Benz CLS550. My client told me he's leaking fluid from the reservoir, the windshield wiper reservoir, and we got a auxiliary battery we're going to be replacing as well. So I'm gonna show you how we gonna get that. Let's get it.
We have emotion, man. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
As you can see, I got it up off the ground, both tires. Alright, this is the reservoir here. Gotta get that out. See how we get it. We're gonna have to take off this bottom portion of the skid plate, remove the fender well, probably go ahead and remove this tire as well. That's not good. Look like both sides. And we got 12 of these here. We're gonna get out and take the skid plate out. Could look up under here a little better. So what we want to do, we're gonna get this skid plate here, or this fender well next. We got tabs here, one here, one up under here, that one, and that's how they look. All of them look like that. So that's 3 of them. And we can move this. That's actually another one right there. It's 4 of them. Make sure there ain't nothing else. We got another 10 mil here. We already took that 10 mil out. That out. So we don't even need to mess with these back here. Come to find out. So, and that is the fluid reservoir. Work on that. That's what we got. I took this here, took it from out of there, out of that hole. This one as well, took it from out of that position, and look like we got a 10 mil right here holding it in. Take that 10 mil out, see if we can got some play in it. Got top. This is the 10 mil holding the top portion in. Let's see what else we hooked up to. Looks like we got a bolt down here in front of it. Let's see if I can get to it. I went ahead and took that one out. And once you get this 10mm bolt, you can pull it on out from up here. Next, we gotta undo this here. And this unit pretty much just pried off of that spot and pull it on out. It's crazy, I ain't never seen this before. This looks so sophisticated. Just for the windshield wiper fluid. You got all of that up in it. Alright, reverse order. These clips here is 2 of them. And this rubber piece. And the top. Gotta transfer it over. Oh yeah, and that's the 10 mil bolt that I couldn't point out to you. I couldn't show you. That's on the front of it. So when it goes in like that, see, it's in front of it. That thing is pretty tough to get to. You gotta have a 10 mil wrench. A ratchet wrench would be better. So this rubber grommet, don't forget that, I almost forgot it. Goes right in there. Gotta get that grommet as well. We in there finally. This thing is pretty tedious. So it looks pretty simple, but it's tedious. The hardest part of it all to me was that bolt right there. You can't see it back here, but that one right there, you got to get that bolt out of that, and you got to have a nice tool to get it.